Greetings, this is librechat. It is an open source local instance of ChatGPT. Hopefully other GPT model or large language models in the future like Falcon, Orca, Llama 2, etc. Maybe. In the meantime, let's check out librechat and tell me about the fate of humanity in a world that is heating up. I run it. And now I should have an option to stop generation. I think this is that button there. Let's see what happens. Actually, let's see if it actually works. Okay, so I'm getting some activity in the log, and okay, so here we have an error in the handle, but it does look like something is, yes, okay, it's writing out. And that is the end of it right there, society. I'm happy about that. Here's the total tokens, prompt tokens, and completion tokens for a total of 556. It'd be really nice if this token was exposed here or somewhere in the output so I could know how much it cost, because this is not free. It might be an open source project, but these API calls do cost money. Now you'll see, I should have tested the stop button. So there is no continue. Let's actually just double check that, because maybe there is not. There's no continue. So let's create a new chat. Actually, is it done? Cannot read properties of undefined reading action. Continue, okay, so it's still thinking. All right, so I'm going to grab this, copy it. It's still working. I'm not quite sure on what, but I'm going to start a new instance. Oh, I'm going to try and start a new instance. Okay, there it is. And now I start it, and I should have a way of stopping it. I should have a way of stopping it. So once it gets started, let's see what happens. Or did it die? Did it die again? It looks like it might have died on me. Error in handler. Exiting chain run with output. Okay, I hit this. Okay, that looks like maybe it would have been a stop button, but it wasn't clearly marked as a stop button. Let's go ahead and start a new chat. Let's go with Text DaVinci. Tell me a happy story about kittens on the internet. Okay, and now I'm not quite sure what's going to happen. Let's see what happens. Looks like the instance has died, and there's no restart button per se in the librechat model. Huh. All right, so I'm going to stop it. I'm going to kill it, and I'm going to kill this. Oh, that's not responding. That's not good. I'm going to kill this. And exit. Press any key to continue, enter, and now it's done. Now that's not very exciting. It's not obviously not what anybody wants with an application that dies on you. So let's just do a sanity check, run it again. All right, and start the local server. It may complain that it's already started. It's not, okay? Now, if I hit 1, let's see what happens. Okay, I've got a new chat, and it didn't remember my old chat. See that? It didn't remember. Oh, okay, it did, but it didn't write the prompt. There's an unfinished message. May still be generated. It was aborted or a sensor was triggered. Refresh or visit later. See more updates. All right, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to write a happy story Write a happy story about dogs being abandoned. About abandoned dogs being rescued by good people. Right, now I should, when I click on this, it's thinking. Let's check the console, see what's happening. Nothing there. Okay, and now it started a constructor. There it is. It's still thinking. Still thinking. Still thinking. All I wanted to do was test the stop button, which is terribly marked. It doesn't even have a rollover to indicate what it does. This one has a new topic, but this one has no rollover. Neither does this one. I assume it's some sort of settings. Default empty, disabled with tools. Okay, it's still thinking. Wow, okay, it's really slow. So I'm going to assume this is the stop button, so I stop. But it doesn't stop the thinking. So we're going to grab this, create a new chat, and I'm going to disactivate or deactivate Google. No plugins. Try again. Nothing here. Nothing here. Wow. It's not working. All AI convos under one house, blah, 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 but it's serves and searches all conversations reliably. Well, not so much so, because it's definitely not working. Well, there it is. This is librechat, and the page is not available. Wait a bit and refresh. It might take a minute if indexing. Okay, I'll assume that, but this is taking a lot longer than a minute. All right, librechat. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.